In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to restart your Hisense Roku TV. If you simply press the power button, the TV will simply go in sleep mode and it does not turn off and on. Many people think this is what it does, but no, this is not how you restart a TV. How it's done, you need to go into the menu, and first step is to take your remote control and press this home button, so we are all at the same place. Then you're gonna press the up arrow once, and once settings is highlighted, you're gonna press OK. Then you're gonna go all the way down in this menu. You can press the down arrow to do so, but you can also press once on the top arrow here, and you select System. Then you're gonna go down this menu again, but this time we're gonna simply select Power, which should be the third option. Press OK. Then go down and select System Restart. Press OK. Restart will be highlighted. You're gonna press OK once more. This will not delete anything. This is not a reset, it's a restart. It simply shut down the TV and power it back on by itself. Do not touch any buttons until this is done. It usually takes around 16 seconds, so just be patient. Alright, so you see it was very quick and we're back on the home screen of your Hisense Roku TV. If, by the way, you were doing this because you had issues with your TV and the issues are still present even after doing this restart, what I suggest is a very quick method. First of all, go ahead and disconnect the power of your TV. Pull the cord from the wall outlet. Even if the TV is turned on, don't worry. Then you're gonna wait around 30 seconds and press the power button located under your Hisense TV. You're gonna press it during 30 seconds too. Once this is done, plug back your TV and try using it again. This is just another way on how to restart your Hisense Roku TV. It's easier to do it through the menu, but this can also solve some issues. So thanks for watching. Please leave a comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.